Here are top 30 terms in international relations. International relations. International relations. International relations. Diplomacy. 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 Sovereignty. Sovereignty. Globalization. 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 Conflict resolution. Conflict resolution. Conflict resolution. Conflict resolution. Conflict resolution. International law. International law. Non-government organization. Non-government organization. Non-government organization. Non-government organization or organization. Multilateralism. 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 Bilateral. 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 Bilateral or bilateral. United Nations. United Nations. Security Council. Security Council. Security Council. Human rights. Human rights. Human rights. Global governance. Global governance. Global governance. Realism. Realism. Idealism. 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 Neorealism. 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 International conflict. International conflict. International conflict. Hegemony. 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 Or hegemony. Or hegemony. International cooperation. International cooperation. Diplomatic immunity. Diplomatic immunity. Diplomatic immunity. Cold War. Cold War. Cold War. International trade. International trade. Balance of power. Balance of power. Balance of power. Foreign policy. Foreign policy. Foreign policy. Foreign policy. Foreign policy. 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 Sometimes you see P-O, but it's not pronounced as policy. It's pa, policy. Global security. Global security. Global security. Global security. Diplomatic relations. Diplomatic relations. Diplomatic relations. Soft power. Soft power. Soft power. International organizations. International organizations. International organizations. Conflict management. Conflict management. Conflict management. Conflict management. International development. International development.